Hi guys, in front of me is Hammer Blade 3 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first open your phone dialer, then choose the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to, tap on edit contact and now select the one that you wish to edit, click on camera icon in the middle of the screen and you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. So if you have someone right in front of you, just click on take photo and then you can smoothly grab a picture, or use the second option, which is choose photo, then select it from your gallery. You can crop it however you like. Also, it is possible to rotate it. Just customize it however you wish and click on done. Tap on save then. And that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to this particular contact. And this is it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.